Hey guys, All in Crypto here, and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to be discussing a critical event taking place for the cryptocurrency market in March 2023. And if the background hasn't already given it away, I am, of course, referring to the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade. In this one, we are going to be explaining exactly what the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade is and why it is significant. We know that Ethereum just recently underwent a merge, a hard fork that took Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake. This was a something that has been ongoing for pretty much as long as I've been in the crypto space. I've been here for nearly 6 years now, and ultimately, on the run up to the merge and post merge, people have been able to stake their Ethereum. Now, the people who have staked their Ethereum, some of them have been locked into staking and unable to unstake their Ethereum for a period of nearly 2 years in some cases. And there has been a large buildup of Ethereum staked currently that is set to get unlocked with the Shanghai upgrade. So this is not just a significant event for Ethereum and its price, it is a significant event for the entire crypto space, as it is going to cause a hell of a lot of volatility. And Ethereum is a significant part, nearly, I believe, 1/5, just slightly under 1/5 of the entire cryptocurrency market cap. And there will be ramifications and volatility introduced to the cryptocurrency market on the run up to the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade and post Shanghai upgrade. So we're going to be going over it all in this video, talking about the amount of staked Ethereum, which is actually estimated at the time of this article release, it was $22.3 billion. Today it's more like 32, towards $40 billion worth of staked Ethereum that will be hitting the market in some cases for the first time in nearly 2 years. And actually, some people have literally been staking for that long. They've had their Ethereum locked up, and arguably Ethereum may have been at a significantly lower price from when people decided to stake. So will we see profit taking? Undoubtedly. I'm not suggesting for any minute that everyone that staked is going to take profits and sell their Ethereum, but there is going to be to the tune of billions of dollars hitting the market worth of Ethereum. So the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, let's get into it, guys. So what is the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade? The Ethereum blockchain went through a upgrade termed the merge in September 2022 that changed the consensus mechanism of the chain. Another upgrade to the chain termed the Shanghai is expected around mid-March this year and may have economic implications across the board. The Ethereum Shanghai upgrade is called the Ethereum Shanghai fork. As part of this upgrade, there are 5 Ethereum improvement proposals, EIPs, that are expected to be rolled out. EIP 4,895 is perhaps going to be the it is expected to be grabbing all the headlines, as it will unlock staked Ethereum and allow withdrawals. Through the merge that happened in September 22, the consensus mechanism on the blockchain moved from proof of work to proof of stake. In doing so, the governance of the chain moved away from a resource-intensive mechanism and became more environmentally, socially, and governance ESG friendly. While POS might be more environmentally friendly, it relies on a staking process. ETH holders had to stake at least 32 Ethereum to participate in the consensus mechanism. They earn a staking yield that is currently just over 5%. So these guys have been collecting 5% on top of their initial ETH for, in some cases, like I say, nearly 2 years. As 32 Ethereum is around $52,000 at present, it is unfeasible for smaller investors to participate. However, platforms such as Lido and Coinbase offer staking facilities to users even for smaller ETH holdings and charge them a fee on their staked income. So you can almost guarantee that these big institutions that have offered staking services will dump on the market when they can. Okay, so just to give a little bit of get my crystal ball out, it's very likely that Ethereum will sell off into this and probably post it. And this is going to cause volatility and introduce volatility into the entire crypto space. The staked Ethereum has been locked for about 2 years, or since the start of the staking. The Ethereum Shanghai upgrade allows users to withdraw their staked Ethereum. As a result, the Ethereum community is eagerly waiting to unlock their Ethereum post-upgrade. So what does the Shanghai fork mean for Ethereum? It talks about actually improvements to the underlying blockchain. It talks about improvements such as ones that should help improve network usage across DeFi and NFTs, as some of these ecosystems were affected by high gas fees and slow transactions. Projects had moved to their to other chains such as Solana, Ethereum, Layer 2 solutions like Polygon. Due to these issues, these projects are, and newer ones, consider Ethereum more favorable with these upgrades. So there's going to be a lot that comes in this. I don't really want to unpack it all, but essentially there are many, many upgrades. Actually, we covered some Ethereum and Polygon news the other day, which is ZK EVM, which is going to be huge. And it's one way which Ethereum can achieve scalability without actually hard forking their own chain through implementing these kind of things. So how will the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade affect ETH holders? Most blockchain upgrades have an impact on price. The Ethereum Shanghai upgrade would be no different. In fact, amplified. Ether supplied on exchanges have already started to plunge as investors choose to move their assets to self-custody. This, of course, is to do with FTX and everything that took place. The previous Ethereum upgrade created good volatility in the market, which traders are trapped into. Ethereum's price skyrocketed from around 1,000 in July 2022 to over 2,000 in August. So you've got a lot of people. If we look at Ethereum's price, sort of 2 years ago, it was kind of around a similar level to where it is now. So some people will arguably be in the red and probably won't look to sell their Ethereum as a result of it. But others may look to get rid of the staked Ethereum or the rewards that they've been gaining from staking, certainly if they've got a large amount. So it talks about, however, short-term traders might want to not fall in Ether's price since the merge was pushed in 2022. It talks about with 16.4 million Ethereum staked, if some of that was to hit the market, it could increase supply of Ethereum and bring prices right down across the board. So not just for Ethereum, elsewhere. This is significant. There are upgrades to the chain taking place, and it is, very much to be noted. Ethereum's chain is improving with these hard forks. But for me, the main, as an investor, thing that I'm looking at is really the price implications. Somebody that trades these markets, somebody that invests in these markets, and the opportunities that may come as a result of it. You are essentially going to have, at this point, nearly, let's just do the maths on that. So 16, what was the total figure? Where are we? I think it was around about 16.4 billion or million Ethereum. 16.4 million Ethereum. How many zeros have we got there? We need one more, which is to the tune of around about $27 billion become unlocked and liquid after being locked up. And you can see that, things like Lido Finance. Bear in mind as well, there's also this real scrutiny around staking and offering staking services coming around for the SEC. Things could be coming to quite an interesting head, and I'm certainly looking to see how this progresses. And you've got to think, what's the incentive for these exchanges to hold on to the Ethereum that they're now going to have liquid? Some of them may be in profits, or they may have made profits on the fees, staking fees, so on and so forth. They're going to want to cover their losses and probably get some of that back. So I think you're going to have, to the tune of potentially billions, hitting the market in Ethereum that's become unlocked, and the ramifications for the price, I think, will be significant. Remember, this upgrade is only set to happen around here. So this is a draw that we had for Ethereum. We might actually need to rethink that with this staking upgrade coming around. But we'll see. I don't think it's not the end of the world for Ethereum. It's just that there's a huge risk, I think, on the table that some people will want to take that risk off. I think if it drives the price down, it will find a bottom because somebody like me will come in and buy Ethereum. You know, we bought into the cryptocurrency market for the first time in over a year down here. Anybody who wants to find out more of that, I do have a Patreon where we do the investment side of things. But this upgrade is not very far away at all, guys. A month or so away, if that. And you guys all need to be paying attention to it, not just if you're involved in Ethereum, but if you're, you know, involved in the crypto space really across the board. So that's really all I got for you in this one, guys. It was just a short and sweet one, an event that you've all got to pay attention to. Don't get caught short or long. And on that note, I'll love and leave you. Have a fantastic Friday, guys. See you all in the next YouTube video.